Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova Y61 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all, let's reach your browser. I will use this default one, and basically we've got like two different ways to clear the browser. I would say the basic option and the advanced option. So first of all, let's tap on the four dots icon in the right upper corner, and if you want kind of like a small clean, like not really that deep cleaning, you can simply enter bookmarks and history and tap onto history. As you can see here, we've got the list of all previously opened websites. So if you want to remove them here, just tap on clear and they will be removed. But if you want a kind of deeper cleaning, some advanced cleaning, then I highly recommend to simply tap on the four dots icon and go to the settings, which are right here. Now in advanced, you've got clear browsing data, and after tapping on it, you can remove not only the browsing history or cached pages and input history, but also cookies, passwords, site settings, and homepage news cache. So basically, if you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked and tap on clear data. Confirm it, and as you can see, the data has been cleared. So basically that's all. This is how to clear the browser in your HUAWEI Nova Y61. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.